Owning a boat is more than time out on the water. It's time together. It's passing down the experiences gained and lessons learned from generation to generation. It's teaching them how to tie the perfect knot, choose the right lure, and that fishing is more than just a Saturday afternoon escape. It's gaining good habits and showing them that a little elbow grease is usually all that is needed to stay shipshape. It's growing together, and it's giving them the tools and the knowledge needed to be their own captain someday. Because there are only so many boating days in the year. Get out there. Be ready to go. PartsVu.